Okay. Take 12. Uniform electric field of magnitude 100 volt per meter in space is directed along the line y equal to 3 plus x. Okay. Special question for math students. बराबर ने? Take time okay जो? This is 0, 3. So this is that line. So electric field lines are in which direction? This line. Is that okay? Along this line. Got it? Okay. Now we have to find the potential difference between point 3, 1 and 1, 3. Right? So electric field lines are inclined like this. Let's say they are going in that direction. So what will be the angle of the electric field with the x-axis? Angle શું હશે? Use math skills. One. આ equation છે. આનો angle શું આવે? 60. અરે આવ નો કરો. 45. What is the slope of this? And x plus 3 લગાઈને slope is 1. Clear or not clear? Sure. Okay, slope is 1. So slope is 1 means theta is equal to 45 degree. Understood? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Now there are 2 points A and B. So basically electric field vector, if you want to write it, we can write it as follows: Ex I caret plus Ey j caret. Okay. If it is in this direction, then the cos component will give us I caret term. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. And how much is the magnitude? What is magnitude? 100. Did you understand this? 100 cos 45. Okay, I caret. Similarly, what about j caret? What will be y component? 100 sin 45 degrees j caret. Clear?
Yes.
Everyone understood this?
Yes.
Why? Because the electric field is at how much angle? At 45 degrees. So components connect. Now, is this uniform or not? Is this uniform or not? Yes. Okay, we want to find potential difference between 2 points. Let's say point A, which is 3, 1 and point B, which is 1, 3. Okay, so suppose we go from A to B. Let's say. I don't know which one will give positive answer, we don't care. Suppose we go from A to B. Clear? So delta R. See, we can do it by delta R. I hope you realize, because field is uniform, that shortcut which we derived. Yes or no? For uniform field. Right? In the morning. So what is delta R? RB minus RA. So minus 2 I caret plus 2 j caret. Yes or no?
Yes.
1 minus 3, 3 minus 1. Clear?
Yes.
Easy to understand?
Yes.
So I think you minus y caret plus 2 j caret. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Now this is delta. This is E vector. So find the potential difference between B and A. BB minus BA means delta B equal to minus what's the formula? E vector dot delta R vector. This you can do for uniform field. There was one answer. Are you? याद तो है ना component form हो तो dot product कैसे करें? Okay, one thank you. So
minus 100 dot to I plus
dot product my caret
100 to
so 200 root 2. Sure. अरे 0 આવશે 0 नहीं आए 0 जाए ना have a look here minus how to do it ex delta x याद आयु ey delta y याद है कि नहीं यार अरे इधर वेक्टर जो और डॉट प्रोडक्ट करो कैसे करें -2 into this yes no
Yes.
याद आवे છે બધાને how to do dot product x component with x component plus y component with y component તો શું આવશે 0 આવશે કે નહીં આવે yes or no अब ऐसे बनता है ना, so this will be 0. Understood? Okay or not okay? Now so थोड़ा mathematical thing. Let's use little bit of more simple intuition. Okay, IAB છે તમને પોઈન્ટ આવડે કે નહીં માર્ક કરતા આપશે 1 3 એટલે એક આની લાઈનમાં છે 1 3 1. Okay, right? So where would that be? It should be somewhere here maybe.
Yes.
Do you realize that this line that joins 1 3 3 1, this line that joins 1 3 3 1 has slope -1? Slope point બધા આવડે કે નહીં બધાને? Sure, the slope is -1. આનો slope કેટલો છે? 1. Ano 1, ano -1. The lines are perpendicular to each other. Electric field is here, and this is a perpendicular thing. Perpendicular to electric field is equipotential surface. Equipotential surface मतलब point A, point B are at same potential. So difference શું આવે? 0 આવે ને? Understood everything now?
Yes.
Okay, so that's the math, and this is by using a little bit of intuition. Okay. Number 13. Figure below shows two equimental no way equipotential, yeah. They are equipotential. Figure below shows two equipotential. Yes, there are mistakes there, I wonder. Equipotential lines in xy plane. देखा इतने line? क्या देखा नहीं? One line is for 2 volt, another line is for 4 volt. Okay or not okay? The scales are marked. Okay, very good. One देखा है. The components Ex and Ey of the electric field in the space between these two equipotential lines are respectively. So what do we have to find? What do we have to find? We want to find Ex and Ey. Is that okay? We want to find Ex and Ey. Alright? Do you remember the partial derivative formula for finding x component and y component? Yes or no?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
So we say Ex equal to minus del B by del x. Okay? Fine. Now, let's look at what meaning of this. You have to move only in x. Basically, if you want to do it physically that is as if you are moving. Then when we write this, what this means is x is variable but y and z are constant. That's only going to happen if you move horizontal. Okay or not okay? So suppose you take any two known point, like for example, take the point 4,1 and 6,1. Everyone, look at the point 4,1 and 6,1. Did you find the point? Yes or no? Sure? Came image the cover body? Because the lines are passing through them. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now, how much is the difference? Let's say if you go from here to there. This is initial, that's final. So how much is del x, or how much is the difference of x? 2 centimeters. Agree or not clear? Sure? Everyone? Okay. Now how much is difference of potential? How much is the difference of potential if you go from this to this? Plus 2 or minus 2?
Minus 2.
Plus 2 or minus 2?
Minus 2.
Sorry, plus 2. You are going from 4,1 to 6,1. 4,1 for 2 volt, yes or no? 6,1 for 6 volt, yes or no? 4.
Sir, bola
Excuse me, 4. Is it fine? 2 volt and 4 volt. So final minus
Initial.
make sense? So numerator શું લખું? Minus અહીંયા છે અને આ 2. Clear? Clear or not clear? So what will be Ex equal to 1 centimeter there. You have to convert to meters, so it will be minus 100. Is that clear? Is that clear or not? Ex equal to minus 100. Did you understand the method? Sure. अच्छा अब y नो करी सको. There you have to move vertical, not horizontal. Try it yourself. Come on. 0.01. Yes, no. So it is Ey is equal to plus 200 and minus 200.
Plus 200.
Plus 200.
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
So for that you could, I suggest that you will go from, let's say, ગમે તે answer they બતાવશે, don't worry about that. So suppose you go from 40 to 20. No, sorry. 41. Okay. 6162. ગમે તે બતાવશે તે બતાવશે, don't worry about that. 40 to 41. Clear? Okay, so Ey equal to minus, first of all denominator, delta y 1. Okay, but 1 centimeter, so 1 into 10 is minus 2. Now numerator. 40 पर potential કેટલું છે? 4. And 20 પર, sorry, 41 પર 2. So final minus initial. Is that clear? Final minus initial is clear because when you go to 41, the potential is 2 volts. So final minus initial. And it is going to be minus minus plus 200 volt per meter. Okay? Okay or not okay? अच्छा, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में वोल्ट पर मीटर समझ पड़ी गई ना कि वोल्ट पर मीटर है. न्यूटन पर कूलम, another unit is volt per meter. Clear? So which option? C. एक वस्तु तुमने भी देखी. These potential, equipotential lines are like this. So 4 volt થી 2 volt value આમ electric field હશે. Yes or no? Make sense? From high potential to low potential. દેખાય છે. X component negative and Y component positive. કેમ second quadrant પર જાય ને, second quadrant X component negative and Y component positive. Clear? Questions કેવા લાગે? Concept જ હોય, બીજું કઈ બહુ નથી હોતું. Okay? 14. A solid conducting sphere having a charge q is surrounded by an uncharged concentric conducting hollow spherical shell. Draw the diagram. So there is a sphere and then surrounding the sphere there is a shell. Shell has how much charge? It is uncharged. It doesn't have a charge, right? Sphere has a charge q. Let the potential difference between the surface of the solid sphere and that of the outer surface of the hollow shell be V. So what is V? Potential difference between surface of sphere and surface of shell. Okay? If the shell is now given a charge of minus 3q, પહેલા charge હતો 0 charge. Now we are giving it a charge. How much charge? Minus 3q. The new potential difference between the same two surfaces is that. So we have to find, if earlier when one had q and the other had 0 charge, potential difference was V. Now if one has plus q charge and the other has minus 3q charge, what will be the new potential? Clear? Okay? So this is a question about direct use of those formula. Which one? The one of potential. चलो पहला formula revise करें. Do you remember potential inside the shell? What? KQ by R तो बता हुआ है. Which is the radius. Is that okay or not okay? And outside is very simple, just like point charge, isn't it? Whether it's a solid sphere or a hollow sphere, doesn't matter. Out. Is that okay?
Yes.
Right. Let's begin. So this is the sphere. Let's say it has started, and now this is the shell. Okay. Think about it. If you give any kind of charge here, okay, whatever. Let's say X. Then because of this charge X only, ignore this. Because of this charge X only, right? If you would find the potential at this point and at this point, which will be more? Both will be same. Who understood that? If we are say inside the shell, at every point the potential will be same. Yes or no? अच्छा, આ charge નો આપણે consider not करते. So basically I am saying that due to the minus 3q charge, potential at 1 due to minus 3q and potential at 2 due to minus 3q, both are same. Did you get that?
Yes.
Yes or no? Fine. કારણ કે બધે inside તો બધે same જ આવે. kq by capital, right? Does not depend on distance. Clear? So that's the main thing. If before giving charge here it was like this, so they had some potential difference which we don't know, v1 minus v2. This is actually due to the plus q charge. Yes or no? Pehla just say that will be due to the plus q charge. Correct? Now if you give this minus 3q charge, whatever extra potential you get because of this at here and at here is same. Does it click or not? Again, first of all, suppose this was 100 and that was 20. This was not there. Now, if you put something here, it will change the potential. It will add that term, right? For example, now you'll have v1 and then there will also be v1 minus 3q. Yes or no? Due to the second term. Add and superposition. But whatever is added here, the same will be added in the other one. Yes or no?
Yes.
So there is no difference. Pehla hoto એટલો થાય. Yes or no? Suppose earlier it was 120, so difference was 80. Now you add something, then whatever extra you are adding here, the same extra you are adding here. So what's the difference?
Remains the same.
The difference will remain same. Sure?
Yes.
Everyone got that? So what will be the answer? Got it? And a koi number kam nathi. Do you understand what I am saying? Not a single number is to be used to solve the question. It's all pure concept that if you add this, you get the same. अच्छा, ये लोगों ने extra long method करवे तो को कर सकते. What? Find v1 minus v2 in first, then put a charge here. Now once again find v1 minus v2. You understand?
Yes.
That's not a wrong method. It's only a wrong method. Clear? Just you have to do it two times. આ ખાલી concept થી પતી ગયો. Whatever is added here, same is added here. Difference will remain the same. Fine. अच्छा, એવું ઊંધું હોય તો નો થાય. Please. Suppose the question was something like this, that here there is a q charge and the potential difference is v, let's say. And now we are adding some charge here, let's say plus 3q or whatever. Then that will not be good. I hope you realize what. કારણ કે પહેલા તો બે નો potential difference 0 આવે. Clear or not clear?
Yes.
Sure, because everywhere inside this outer shell the potential will be same. Yes, but now if you put some charge here, then potential due to this 3q over here and due to this 3q over here will not be same. So now the answer will change. Got it? એટલે આ બધી કમાલ outer shell પર ચાર્જ મૂકો એટલે આ ફોર્મ્યુલા યુઝ થાય એના કારણે. એટલે think about it. Right? 50. The diagram shows three infinitely long uniform line charges placed on the x, y and z axis. एक नहीं त्रण वायर આવી જાય. Okay, the work done in moving a unit positive charge from 111 to 011 is equal to work done find કરવાનું છે. work done by whom? External force હશે ને. Okay, let's assume that. Okay, W external. We have to find W external. Nothing is given, so we can assume that we have infinite time. We will take it very, very slowly. Okay. Question બનાવવા એમ કહી દે હજી કેમ ન આવ્યો? Q આવે પછી. If you take it very slowly, then W external will be equal to minus WE. Yes or no? This is for taking it slowly. And that will be equal to delta U, and that will be equal to 2 delta. Is that okay? આ ફોર્મમાં કેમ લખો? નામનો લખાય બધું લખાય, but this is the most suitable. Why? This morning we derived the formula for potential difference due to a long uniform straight wire. Yes or no? Yes, we did. Okay, two formulas. First of all, let's write the formula for long uniform straight wire. Okay, one single long uniformly charged straight wire. Right? VB minus VA is minus lambda by 2 pi epsilon 0 LN RB minus RA. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. આજે આજે જ કર્યો તો એટલે મને યાદ છે. બે દિવસ પછી નહીં યાદ. But still it doesn't matter. હું તો ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન કરી લઈશ. તમને આવડી ગયું ને ડેરિવેશન. Just put the formula dot dr integration કરો એટલે ln આવી જશે પૂરો થઈ ગયો. So this is what. Now we have to put it that way. એટલે એક point B મૂકવાનો, એક point A, initial point A, final point B. Is that clear? Yes or no? Now how many charged wires are there? 1, 2 or 3? 3. So there will be 3 different potentials, but we add करવું પડશે ને using superposition principle. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So first of all, let's find due to first wire, means due to wire on x-axis. Due to wire on x-axis. Okay. So एकदम आमा geometry बराबर जो है 3D geometry. Okay. So what are the points by the way? Let me write the points. A is 1, 1, 1. B is 0, 1. Okay, we have to take from A to B or B to A?
A to B.
From
1,
1, 1, 1 to is that clear? From A to B. So final is B, initial is A. Okay. First of all, the wire is on x-axis. Our wire. Alright. Okay. What is the meaning of RP and RA? આ ફોર્મ્યુલા જે આવે છે લોંગ સ્ટ્રેટ વાયર હોય એમાં R નો મીનિંગ શું છે? Perpendicular distance of the point from the wire. Clear or not clear? Okay. ચલો તમારી ટેક્સ્ટ હવે મેં This is a wire along the x-axis. So પહેલા તો મને RA કહો. What is the perpendicular distance of this point from this point? 1, 0. 0 તો નો જો axis ઉપર હોય તો 0 આવે. Is that clear or not clear? 1, 2, root 2, root 3, root 5. ફિઝિક્સ યાદ તકલીફ છે. ફિઝિક્સ બાજુ પર રહી જાય પહેલા આપણે બધું મેથ્સ નું કરવું પડે, બરાબર ને? રૂટ 3 short. ચલો કઈ વાત 3D short. Let's try to understand it by 2. Suppose I tell you that there is a point 1, 1 here. Okay, I want to find the distance of 1, 1 from x-axis. So do you realize that whatever that distance is, it will be the distance from here? Yes or no? Yes or no? Sure? Yes or no? अच्छा तो 1, 1 હોય તો કેટલું distance આવે? 1. Okay, only 1. Fine. Just like that, if the point is 1, 1, 1, then if we drop a perpendicular, then the foot of perpendicular should lie at 1, 0, 0. Yes or no? Sure?
Yes.
Absolutely clear?
Yes.
So કેટલું distance આવે? Perpendicular distance of this point from x-axis? 1. Hey. What's the perpendicular distance of this point from this axis? Root 2. हाँ, root 2 जाओगे ना कि नहीं आए root 2? Sure? Okay. What's that called? Distance formula. बराबर है? बाकू. Clear? So the distance is root 2. Understood? Understood or not? अच्छा હવે આવી રીતે મને B નું distance કહો તો. જો તમે કહી શકો તો બરાબર, નહીં તો હું તમને ફોર્મ્યુલા લખાવી કે આવી રીતે માઇન્ડ કરાય. B નું ડિસ્ટન્સ √3. Very short. अच्छा चलो कई बात. Do you realize the difference between these two is only in x coordinate? So A point અહીંયા છે તો B point અહીંયા હશે ને. Do you agree with me? ખબર પડી ખબર પડી. A point is 1 1 1, then B point is 0 1 1. તો એ x axis માં થોડો લેફ્ટ સાઈડ આવશે. Yes or no? તો હવે આ ડિસ્ટન્સ શું હોવું જોઈએ? What should be this distance? Root 2, root 2, root 3 9. This distance will also be root 2. Clear or not clear?
Yes.
Now go back. Lucky of what? Distance from x axis. Distance from x axis for a point is always equal to under root y square plus z square. Is always equal to under root y square plus z square. લખવાનું શક્તિ છે તો કેજો મને લાગે વાત તમને આવડી ગયું. ઓકે, under root y square plus z square. એ the distance from y axis હોય તો under root x square plus y square. No, x square plus z square. Understood? Okay. अच्छा केम आउट है तो समझ पड़ी कि ना समझ पड़ी थी? This is origin. If you drop a foot, I mean if you drop a perpendicular, then the foot will be at origin. 3D में drop कर दो कदाच बता सर आइडिया हो. X, Y, Z. 0, 1, 1 क्या हो? यहाँ somewhere 1 on Y axis and 1 on Z axis. Clear or not? So આ 1 અને આ 1 થાય આવું સ્ક્વેર બને તો x axis ઉપર perpendicular ડ્રો કરો તો આવી રીતે આવે. આ perpendicular છે. હા x axis થઈ ગયો અને આ મારો હાથ છે that is the perpendicular, so it's coming to the origin like that. Clear? So distance of this point from here will be root 2 by Pythagoras theorem. नाम जो तो Pythagoras theorem नाम को तो distance. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. तो आगे ये distance root 2 तो आमा શું થાય? આમાં શું થાય? Cancel. ln1 ln1 ये log 1 log 1 0 हाँ 0 क्या यार तुम लोग विचारो जो खबर नहीं. log 1 is 0. Clear or not? याद આવ્યું એવું કીધું છે ને કોઈ કહેતો કે કોઈ નથી કીધું હજી. log 1 is 0. So for x axis wire there is no potential difference. समझ पड़ी? હવે આવું y ડિફાઇન કરો ચલો ફટાફટ. Do it for the wire on y axis instead of x axis. Repeat the procedure for wire on y axis. મને ઘણી વાર એવું થાય કે મેથ્સ વાળા બે સબ્જેક્ટ હોય, ફિઝિક્સ એન્ડ કેમેસ્ટ્રી. ફિઝિક્સ એન્ડ કેમેસ્ટ્રી બરાબર ને? ફિઝિક્સમાં બધું આવી જ જશે, તમે ગમે કરો, એ કઈ મેથ આપણે બાકી રાખવાના નથી બરાબર ને કે નહીં? Okay, what's the distance of A from y axis? Root 2. Okay, wait. What's the distance of B from y axis? 1. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So for y axis, delta V is going to be minus lambda by 2 pi epsilon 0 Ln. This is the distance में r equal to 1 and this is equal to root 2. Clear? Clear or not clear? Okay. Fine. So आने minus minus plus करना को ले ln root 2. Okay.
Yes.
This is clear.
Yes.
So this is for y. Now for the wire on z axis. करो एना માટે चलो. What will be the distances? Z axis a નું તો બધાથી distance root 2 છે. કેવું easy છે. Clear or not? હવે b નું distance from z axis, distance of b from z axis 1. Clear or not? Sure. Formula use કરો છો ને હવે તો. હા. તમારે ઈ જ જોતું. delta v equal to આ સેમ જ આવશે. yes or no? એ નહીં આવે છે? સેમ જ આવશે ને? Sure. તો એમને એમ લખી નાખો. Okay, so what's the total delta V value. What's the total delta V value? 2 times lambda by 2 pi epsilon 0 ln root 2. But ln root 2 means half ln 2. Yes or no? Log ની property. ભૂલી ગયા log ની property. આવું લખાય ને, and half is multiplied outside. Clear or not clear? Sure. अच्छा, तो બધું cancel થઈ ગયું, તો શું આન્સર આવશે? lambda by 2 pi epsilon 0 ln 2. This is delta. એટલે હજી આ પડી ગયું. હવે આ કેવું શું કરવું? Read the question. How much charge are we moving?
Y ને z માં લેમ્ડા ની વેલ્યુ સુધી આપે છે.
Y ને z માં લેમ્ડા ની વેલ્યુ સુધી આપી છે. એક્સક્યુઝ x માં શું હતી?
x માં તો બસ વન લેમ્ડા
x માં શું છે? કઈ છે? ડઝન્ટ મેટર. કટ થઈ જાય ને? ડઝન્ટ મેટર. શ્યોર?
યસ.
ઓકે, હવે આમાં શું છે? y માં 3 લેમ્ડા. ઓકે, અને આમાં 1 લેમ્ડા. ઓન્લી 1 લેમ્ડા. ઓકે, તો બધું ડાયરેક્ટલી નહીં થાય. Fine. So let's add them. So 3 plus 1 4. 4 lambda by 2 pi epsilon 0 ln root 2. Now it's clear? બરાબર ને? મારું બગાવ થોડો ઉતાવળો પડે છે. તમે આટલી વાર લગાડો ને હું પછી બગાવું. પછી એમાં આવું થાય. એ ક્વેશ્ચન તો જોયો જ નથી હોતો મેં. Is this clear? Okay. So what do we get? ln root 2 means half ln 2. This everything cancelled. Which option? None of these? B. Lambda ln 2 by pi epsilon 0. Clear? समझा क्यों? Okay. 16. Electric potential decreases uniformly. See, if electric potential decreases uniformly, that means electric field is uniform. Yes, and a decrease of electric field is related to magnitude of decrease of electric potential is related to magnitude of electric field. Clear? Sentence લખાયું બરાબર? તમને હજી કહું છો ફોર્મ્યુલા કરતા વધુ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ એ બધા સેન્ટેન્સીસ છે, કારણ કે એનાથી તમને બધું સમજાઈ જશે કે વોટ ઇઝ ધ ટોપિક ને સમ્સ કેવી રીતે થાય. ઓકે, so electric potential decreases uniformly from this to this along the x-axis in a coordinate system as we move from a point minus x0, 0 to x0, 0. Okay, so where are we moving from? From minus x0 to plus x0. On which axis? On x-axis. It will draw करना को चलो. We are moving from A to B. Okay. So we are given that we are going from A to B. Here origin, here minus x0, 0, and this is plus x0, 0. Here the potential is V, and here it is minus. So this is what we know. Now, what do we have to decide? And then the electric field at the origin. And it's given that it is uniform. See, one thing is clear. It is uniform. Okay? એટલે આપણે યુઝ કરવું હોય તો ડિફરન્શિએશન ની જગ્યાએ જરૂર પડે તો ડેલ્ટા લખી શકીએ. Does that make sense to you? Yes or no? Sure. There is no need to do differentiation if the electric field is uniform. Clear? Okay. So what does it say? Then the electric field at origin must be, so we can find the electric field, must be equal to V by x0, may be equal to V by x0, must be greater than V by x0, or may be less than V by x0. अच्छा अभी देखो करो तो શું આવે? પહેલા તો Ex ની વેલ્યુ શું આવે? denominator pehla. What's the denominator? Initial, final. We move from A to B. Equal to denominator 2x0. Clear or not?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Now numerator delta V minus 2b. Sure. So this becomes v by x0. Clear or not? Yes. No. समझ पड़ी ने? Calculator. Electric field x component is v by x0 if you go from A to B. Now what do you think is the correct option? Must be equal to v by x0. How say knowing? There is a twist in the table. Here, as I will say, but this is only x component. Have we found y component? Have we found z component? Yes or no? Have we found it? Is there a way to find it? No. There is no way to find it. Okay, there is no way to find it. But one thing is clear, that if you find the electric field, then it's definitely this. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Sure? Okay. So do you realize that? Yes, it must be greater than this. કેમ હજી એડ કરવાનું ને કંઈ પણ even if it's 0 must be greater નહીં આવે actually just a thing. What if the other two are 0? Then it will be equal. But if the other two are not 0, then it will be greater. So which sentence will be correct now? Must be equal to? No. It may be equal to? Yes. Is that clear? समझ पड़ी कि ना समझ पड़ी? Ultimately it turned out to be grammar. Right? Must be equal, not correct. May be equal, correct. પછી must be greater લખ્યું છે ને, that's why it's not correct. Suppose it was may be greater, then that option would also be right. And similarly the D one may be less લખ્યું છે, that's why it's wrong. Okay? It cannot be may be less. It's not less. It's impossible that it is less than v by x0. Understood? આવા ક્વેશ્ચનમાં જોરદાર -1 આવતા હોય બધાને જરૂર બધા કરીને જ આવે કોન્ફિડન્સ યસ અમારે તો આવી ગયો તો પછી સેન્ટેન્સમાં એવું થાય. Well, there was one question I remember that was misplaced somewhere in some other topic. ક્યાં હતું આમાં જતો ને it was in practice paper. એમાં હતો ને હા તો એ હવે કરી નાખજો complete. Okay? Yeah, fine. Let's go over to the next one now. Number 17. હવે potential energy બધું. Alright? 3-point charges 1 coulomb, 2 coulomb, 3 coulomb are placed at corners of an equilateral triangle of side 1 meter. Read it very carefully. બહુ બધા આમાં diagrams છે ઘણા બધા. The work required to move these charges to the corner of a smaller equilateral triangle of side 0.5 meter in two different ways as shown in figure A and in figure B are WA and W. अच्छा नाना ट्रायंगल दिखाई बे डायग्राम में पाकू ने sure okay in first one the triangle is in the middle and in the second one it's on the upper part. Is it fine, right? So we have to find in which one the work is more or less or equal and all that. Why equal? Be same છે. Second method માં B અને C મૂવ કરવાનો, A ને મૂવ કરવાનો. Okay. Your answer is right. Potential energy of a configuration of 3 charges will only depend on 3 distances, which to R12, R23 and R13. Yes or no? Yes or no? Sure. Both final cases. Think of both final triangles. Aren't in both final triangles R12, R23 and R13 same and that is 0.5 meter? Yes or no?
Yes.
Sure you get what I'm saying?
Yes.
B માં એવું છે ને. What's the side of triangle finally in figure A? 0.1. In figure B, am I 0.5? So B માં final potential energy same જ આવશે. And initial case itself is common, yes or no?
Yes.
Initial is same, final is same. Then the work done will be 0 nahi, equal. Make sense or not? Initial is not equal to final, but both the final A and final B are equal. And આમ જાઓ, બધું સરખું. Got it?
Yes.
Sure? So answer will be okay. Just one thing to confirm. Both are 0. એવું possible છે? No, because all the charges are positive. Because of negative ion, and then you have to be careful about that also. Okay? Nevertheless. 6? No, 6 nahi. After on other. Okay, question 18. Scary looking option. Right? એવું છે ને? એ નથી. આમ પેજ હોય તો option આવે છે. Right. But your favorite option is also there. Two identical thin rings, each of radius r meter, are coaxially placed at a distance r meter. EAR, radius AR. Can you draw them? Draw kar. Sidhu to draw kar. This is the thing. Okay. What do we have to do with those rings? They are fixed or not? You will agree with that? Right, so these are the rings. They are placed coaxially, means their axes are same. समझ पड़ी कि नहीं तो? What is the distance between them? Capital. And the radius is capital R for both. Charges on them are given. What? Q1 and both are positive. Okay. What do we have to find? Work done in moving a charge. Small q. From center of one to the center of another. Clear? That if we want to take this charge q and we want to move it from A to B and we have to find work done. We have not given by electric field of okay. Assuming external and taking slowly. So this is going to be q into VB minus VA. Clear or not? Okay or not okay? See, you might be thinking we can do it by delta U. I'd say no. કારણ કે potential energy ની formula coulomb અને point charge નથી ને તો ખાલી U equal to K Q1 Q2 by R નો આવે. Is that clear? So even if you try to find by delta U, ultimately you will come back to this formula. Is this clear? યાદ આવે છે મેં તમને કીધું then Coulomb law is only valid for point charge. Just like that U equal to K Q1 Q2 by R is only valid for point charge. In other cases F equal to QE word, and in other cases U equal to QV, V word. F equal to QE and U equal to QV. समझ पड़िया? Yes. Okay. Let's try to find out potential at B due to these two rings. Let's try to find out potential at B first. Okay. So, do you remember formula of potential due to rings?
Yes.
What is it? KQ upon under root R square plus small r square. Okay. हमने सवाल से ना. Okay. So first of all, VB1 plus VB2. Clear? How much will this be? KQ1 upon. So look, distance of B point from the first ring center. तो सुलभ हो जाए. खाली याद under root formula. Did you guys know formula? Did you understand the use of formula? Or not clear? What is the formula? Capital R square plus small r square. But what small r for this point? Capital R. Okay? Yes. चलो बची second one. KQ2 by R. Only R? Sure. Because for this point and this ring, What's the distance from center? 0. Smaller distance of the point from its center. बराबर ने 0 છે ને? I hope everyone remember the diagram. આ બધું આ distance ને r કહેવાય ને. હવે આ point એ મૂકો તો r ડિવાઇડ કર 0 clear or not? એ આ થશે under root r square plus 0 square. I'm just writing it for clarity. Under root r square plus 0 square. Everything clear about that? This is VB. Okay, આને તમને સિમ્પ્લિફાઈ કરતા તો આવડે છે મતલબ. Then similarly, can you find VA? શું કહેતા? For VA, what will change? Distance, distance interchange થાય charge interchange. Don't interchange both. Do it, write it, and then put it here. જો તો answer. Be careful with the math. Option બીજું ન આવી જાય ભૂલથી જોજો. Did any of the option match? None of these नहीं. Zero तो नहीं था. मैं कोई वेट क्यों कर जाकर कर? Are you getting negative of the option? B. I think we are getting negative of option B.
હા હા કે Q
તો એનો મતલબ આ work done by electric field હશે. That's all I can say. Right? Question માં નથી લખ્યું. We guessed it to be very frank. Okay? That means it would be work done by electric field. એટલું લખી નાખો. તો પછી આનું નેગેટિવ કરી નાખો એટલે આન્સર આવી જાય. Don't have to do anything again. Okay? Is it fine? કેલ્ક્યુલેશન બે વાર કન્ફર્મ કરી લેજો કે માઈનસ આવે છે ને આ એક્ઝેક્ટલી મેચ ન થતું હોય. થોડીક એવી મિસ્ટેક છે ક્વેશ્ચનમાં. It should be work done by electric field. Okay? I know you will have a question. Sir, બે ટાઈપનો ઓપ્શન આપ્યા હોય ને કંઈ લખ્યું ન હોય તો શું? Then I have no answer for you. I am sorry. એમાં કંઈ થાય નહીં. Okay? કારણ કે એવું કોઈ સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ કન્વેન્શન નથી કે વર્ક ડન લખ્યું હોય તો વર્ક ડન નો મીનિંગ શું? વર્ક ડન મીન્સ બાય ફિલ્ડ ઓર બાય એક્સટર્નલ. કોક વાર એવું લખ્યું હોય ફાઇન્ડ વર્ક ડન ટુ મૂવ ચાર્જ ફ્રોમ હિયર ટુ હિયર, તો એનો મીનિંગ એક્સટર્નલ વર્ક થતો હોય છે. અને કોક વાર વર્ક ડન બાય આવા કેસમાં સપોઝ ઇલેક્ટ્રિક ફિલ્ડ કરે તો શું થાય? આપણે કંઈ ન થાય. ઓકે, ટર્ન ઇટ ઓફ.